Hey guys, it's time for an AC video. I'm hoping I can get the compressor to kick on. It's actually pretty warm today. It was up in the 70s, like 73, 74. I could probably turn that little heater on actually to try to guarantee a little more. Instead of doing this stupid, I'm just going to take the grill off. We'll get a look at the tags on here. I actually got this from a community member, Jeff J. That's all I'm going to really say. No need to give up any real identity. 6,000 BTUs, 1,050 watts of juice per hour to run this beast. Looks like we got 9.7 amps. So I bet you once it builds head pressure, it probably runs a lot less than that. EER is a complete crock of crap anyway. Looks like we got the model number is, let's see if I can zoom this in, L7262-1KSB. Is there a manufacturer date on here anywhere? Or? I don't think so. Made in the USA. That's something you're never going to see again. The thing's really clean, really good shape. What we got here in the control panel going on? I haven't really taken too good of a look at this one yet, to be completely honest with you. Air control, open, close, how's that? Oh, I'd say, okay. Actually, looks like that one actually works. It actually catches some of it and sends it out. Air sweep on and off, that's an electrical motor. It's not controlled by the air vanes. Highly, extremely useful feature though. I stand by it. I don't know. I'm not hearing a click. Oh, that's not good. And turn all the way around that way. They can't go that way. So, I don't know. Maybe it's like that by design. I know some of the Sears cold spot units are like that. This ain't made by Sears. Those is a Gibson. And 4 push button controls. So we literally have slider controls, knobs, and push buttons all in the same exact unit. So I think this is a blade, if I recall correctly. Is it a blade? Yeah, it's a blade. Oh, I can't really. All right. So anyway, yeah, I might have to cheat this thermostat a little bit. I'm gonna try to get the kick on. We'll see what happens. Anyway, let's take a look around the back of it quick. Pretty nice grill actually for a Gibson. I'm generally not an overly big fan of Gibsons for the most part. Some of the early ones are really nice. Put the latches on there, it sits in here. Like so, latches in and just pushes. Oh, that's interesting. Look how far back everything is. Don't really give you much room. You have to stick your hand in pretty. Turn air sweep on. Huh. So I guess to aim this, you just turn the air sweep on until it gets in the direction you want, then you shut it off. Or you can just let it constantly sweep. If I was going to use this, I'd probably let it, let it go constantly. It's in really good shape. He did a very good job cleaning it up. There were some problems back here. It definitely needs new. I'd probably replace it if I was going to use it. Yeah, it needs replaced. But yeah, I mean, overall, this unit looks great. It's really clean. It's definitely a recip. I can't tell what kind. Yeah, it might be an AJ. This one actually specifies that it's a air sweep model. Now don't be alarmed here that I'm using the speakers as a rack. This unit's really not all that heavy for its age, and these actually have blown woofers. A little 50-watt speakers with a 10-inch woofer, and a buddy of mine decided he was going to try to shake his house with it. It's like, sorry pal, you need 15s for that. And more than 50 watts. Single side vent over here where the fan is. Motor I can't see. Yeah, everything looks like in decent shape. I think Jeff went over this. Hey, look, looks like you might be able to read that compressor tag. Can you? I'm gonna try to. Well, you'll be able to see that far back. I don't know if I can even get the light up. Can you? Nah, probably not. It says can't really. LRA. I'm looking for the date. C 724380. Looks like 1980 maybe? I don't know. I can't really see it that clear. I will have to take the case out and everything. Which I would do, but this unit's actually working and ready to go, so enough clowning around. Let's fire it up. See if I can get the compressor to kick on. I can't make any promises though. Let's try fan first. Oh, it's loud. Conventional design, sucks it to the sides, blows out the back. See, my garage is still a little bit of a mess. It's a little bit better than it was, but not nearly where I like it to be. So, all right, well, cool. Okay, I would definitely run it on low. If I wanted fan only, I would just turn the thermostat down. Yeah, it's too hot for that. Or cold for that to kick on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cheat the thermostat. I think I have a little heater in here, don't I? No? Maybe not. I didn't notice he had that trim on there. Yeah, so see if I can heat this probe up and we'll try it again. It's not that cold in here. What do we got? Yeah, it's 62 in here. Still. I need to get one of those heat guns is what I should do. Be dumb. I'll never have this freaking problem again. That don't sound good. Sounds like the motor needs a little lubrication. That's freaking loud. Yeah, maybe we're not doing a startup of this right now. Like I said, I'm using this iPhone now. I don't know if I have a pause button or not. I don't see one. All I'm seeing is a record and a stop button. Well, if this pause button works, this won't be the end of the video. But if it does not work, then it will be the end. And I'll just thank you for watching now and look for a running video when it gets a little bit warmer. Does it work? Alright guys, so I've cheated the thermostat. Use that little heater there, my old faithful. Trick this out, so it's gonna be quick. So, I'm gonna go up to the compressor and we're gonna fire it up. Actually sounds pretty good. Like I said, the compressor itself is in good shape, it looks like. Can't tell, it looks like it might be like an AJ. I don't know. The fan don't want to move now though. Hang on, I'll give it a quick, there you go. There we go. Good. Yeah, that definitely needs lubed up. It's annoying. Get a temp check. See what kind of temps we're getting out of her. Pretty uneven. That is blowing freaking cold though. That's definitely cold now. Yeah, so I just had a heater blowing on it for 10 minutes too. So freaking things coming out. Bottom's definitely colder. Yeah, it's really cold down here, not so much up here. Check the back. Pretty steady upper 80, mid to upper 80s toward the back, so I'd say it does have a full charge on it. I got another special treat for you guys tonight too. Take a look at that one there. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. That thing's hopping all over the place, ain't it? We're hitting there, yeah, we're even down a little bit. Yeah, we're cold all the way up to here now. It's full, it just needs to cycle through a little bit. And it's already got my hands off. The condensate. Yeah, it's almost to the top now, it's cold. But yeah, I'd say this unit has a full charge. I'm gonna go back on low. That sounds better. Yeah, that motor's just in dire need of some lubrication. Like a half hour, 45 minutes without having it ready to go, just like new. Okay, yeah, we're cold all the way up to the top now. Yeah, that thing's got a full charge, ain't no doubt about it. It's, what did I have? I got up to 70 in here. I turned that heater on. That one there, so. Yeah, we're in the 20s all the way up to the top now, so this unit, beyond any reasonable doubt, does in fact have a full charge on it. It runs very quietly on low. I'm actually impressed. What kind of actual temps is it blowing? So it's blowing air out, it's 38 degrees. 39. Yep, that's the end of that. Just kicked off. See how much quiet it is with the grill on. Come on, man, get on. There we go. Actually, the grill doesn't do anything for noise. It sounds about the same. It doesn't really blow very strong off this side here. Probably maybe the damper in there, in addition to what it has. So. Gibson. Alright guys, as always, I really appreciate your views. Thank you for watching. To my subscribers, longtime subscribers, and newcomers, appreciate it. Like I said, appreciate your support over the years and for your continued support for years to come. And yeah, I've been chomping at the bit to do an air conditioning video for a while. It's just been, you know, this time of year is always crap for it. So it's not that I lost interest, it's just, I mean, yeah, I do have some things going on in life and everything like that, but I'm not giving up my hobby, so don't worry about it. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think of this here Gibson Air Sweep 6000 BTUs. I'm thinking late 70s, early, oh, that's broke right there, too. Someone tried to fix it at one point. Probably late 70s, early 1980s, I'd say, if I had to put a timestamp on it, approximately. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your night, evening, day, week, you know, whatever time, wherever place you're at. Anyway, you guys get the idea. Anyway, guys, peace out.